What is up, YouTube? I've got the Govee RGB car LED strip light. I'm gonna put this in the G37. Looks like you get an app. It says 16 million colors, colorful lighting. You can adjust the brightness. You can do it yourself scenes. There's a music mode, and it says safe to use. I hope so. This is basically a plug and play. You mount everything where you want it, and then you use your outlet, like your cigarette lighter outlet, to power everything. I like this. I'm not one that likes to tie into the factory wiring, just because I just don't want to deal with any possible gremlins and things like that. So I'll just be installing this, see how it goes. I'll try to take some photos and videos as I go through it. So this is what you get in the box. Looks like it comes with some screws. You get, I guess, a Govee referral card. Oh no, this is for the application, so you can find the application, use it with it. Looks like some warranty information and the Govee user guide. So this shows you how to use the remote and all that stuff. You get the power button. Looks like this is a mode switcher, and then also the brightness. It came with these zip ties, so that was cool. And then this is the strips here. So you get a total of 4 LEDs. Most people probably put them in the 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then your power outlet here. So yeah, $25. It's not a bad, get pretty good stuff. They say they're using 3M tape, so that's good. And this is the part number if you guys want to pick this up for yourself. This was on Amazon. I would just probably type in Govee RGB car LED light strip, and it'll come up right on Amazon for you. Some of the pry tools that I'll be using to get everything fitted, and with the wires being run behind the scenes, so I don't have to look at All right, YouTube, got it connected. It's looking good. I got it on solid for me. That's how I like it. You can change it to these other ambiances. See how I'm talking? Then I start, and I stop. I start, and I stop. That would give me a bit of a, I don't know, when I'm driving, I don't want that. So I like the solid. You can change the brightness, change the color. I'm gonna go with this one because it matches the purplish color of the dials on the car. I'll start it up. See what I'm saying? Matches that. That's a little bright for me, so I'm gonna turn it down like that and just have a nice little vibe going. Nothing crazy. You can see right there, you cannot see those the LED strip unless you go under here. From up here, you can't see it. So I'm feeling it, looks good. I'm happy with it. It's very easy to install. Just make sure you tuck your wires so that everything looks good there. Otherwise, it should be good to go.